Clarence is snoring. Y'all didn't think I was going to leave him outside now, did you? Listen to him snore. When he lays on the floor and snores, it sounds like a train coming through because I got wood floors. It's funny.